My cats are wrapping up their catwalk. We're heading home from the pool, although Harriet's gone under the fence. Come on, Harriet, this way. I'll go inside, eat a chicken mushroom dinner, and watch basketball. Watch New York against Minnesota. My cats both see something. Harriet's back over here now, on this side of the gate fence thing. Oh, there she goes, climbing that tree. Whoa, Harriet, you're way up high. It says end of catwalk, Harriet climbs a tree at the end.